Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2026 CFMOTO Highland XL, the 4-door. This video is about the all-new Ryco Street Legal kit. Now, before we dive into it, the same part number, which is 5110 Ryco, will work on both the 2-door and the 4-door. So let's check it out on the inside. So if you are familiar with your Highland, if you already have a Highland or have seen one on the showroom floor, typically on this left-hand side, this is where your wiper and washer fluid is. Now with the Ryco kit, you're actually going to flip that on the other side and it's going to go upside down. But Ryco has provided you with a sticker that'll go on there, looks really nice to control the functionality of it. And you're just simply going to turn on your wiper. You'll rotate it again on that side to make it squirt. So not a big deal there. How does the Ryco kit work? It's simple, just like a car. Down will be left. We do have the indicator lights that are provided with the kit up on the dash. That's going to activate this turn signals on the left side. Now, we have two options. Notice how this turn signal light is strobing like this. You can make it strobe like this or deactivate that to just make it strobe like a normal turn signal does. So this is all part of the CFMOTO headlight assembly. You don't need to do anything other than tie into that. On the back side, same thing back here. We've got the strobe functionality going on the back. If you want your standard turn signal, we can make it go that way as well, and all those instructions will be in the kit from Ryco. Couple other key things: you do have the hazard function. Pull out on that lever, all four corners are going to illuminate and flash. Very nice, very nice. And on the back side, looks super good. The functionality is very nice. And with the Ryco kit, to deactivate the hazards, simply go up or down with the lever. You can't push this red lever back in. Horn button integrated right into the end of the lever. And lastly, when you do turn on your headlights, actually I'll throw those hazards back on and show you. We'll put them on high beam. You still have really good visibility there with the kit. And on the back, awesome. The main reason I kicked on the headlights was to show you guys the license plate is illuminated. So you got a nice license plate mount right here and a light to illuminate the plate at night. So part number 5110 Ryco. We do have these kits in stock as of the date of the video. If you'd like to get us to ship you one out, give us a call, shoot us a text at 435-427-3338, or you can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Kendra will make sure and post up a link in the description below where you can go on and place your order online today. I'm digging it. What's your thoughts? Have a great day, everybody.